All right, beginning with the fast-moving situation and the evolving situation in West Asia, let's bring you the latest. People in Tel Aviv are stocking up on essentials amid fears of Iranian retaliation. This as a fresh wave of explosions were heard in Iran's capital, Tehran. You know, Israel has carried out Operation Rising Lion in Iran, and this is the latest that is coming out from there. People in Tel Aviv are now stocking up on essentials amid fears of an Iranian retaliation. An emergency has been declared in Israel as well, just to brace for what's to come going forward. Fresh wave of explosions could be heard in Iran's capital. This is part of Israel's Operation Rising Lion. We did hear earlier Netanyahu saying that they will continue with this barrage of, and to what end, that is something that remains to be seen as well. Multiple statements have been coming out. People in Israel at the moment are stocking up on essentials. Now, the UN nuclear watchdog also confirmed that Israeli strikes were targeting the Iranian uranium enrichment site, saying that it was closely monitoring the deeply concerning situation here. IAEA is closely monitoring the concerning situation in Iran. Agency can confirm the Natanz site was among the targets. This is what we do know so far. As per the IDF Chief of General Staff, we have begun this operation because the time has come. We are at the point of no return. We cannot afford to wait for another time to operate. We have no other choice. Recent and past events of the history have taught us that when the enemy is attempting to destroy us, we must not turn a blind eye. We need to fight for our existence. Freedom was given to those willing to fight for it. I warn that anyone who will try to challenge us will pay a heavy price. We are entering this operation together with one goal in front of us, and that is to secure a safer future for the state of Israel and its civilians in a unified effort and faith. We will win. This is the statement that's coming out of Israel. Now, from what we do know is that Israeli airstrikes targeted 3 military sites in Iran's northwest. This as per the state television in Iran. 3 military sites in the East Azerbaijan province were attacked by the Zionist regime, is what they're calling it. And what we do know so far, Tel Aviv is stocking up on essentials amid fears of Iranian retaliation. Let's also take a look at what has happened so far, all that has transpired. Let's just bring you a timeline. Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei warned that Israel would suffer severe consequences after launching the deadly attacks on the Islamic Republic, including Tehran and the nuclear sites. Khamenei said, with this crime, the Zionist regime has set itself for a bitter and painful fate, and it will definitely receive it. This as fresh wave of explosions could be heard in Iran's capital. Iranian media confirmed that Iran's Revolutionary Guards leader Hossein Salami had been killed in the strikes. Apart from that, senior Revolutionary Guards commander Gholam Ali Rashid and top nuclear scientists were killed in Israel's attack on Iran. The state TV reported fire and smoke at a key site for Iran's Revolutionary Guards, while explosions were heard in Natanz city in Iran's central province. Now, according to the state media, residential buildings in Tehran were also hit, killing a number of civilians here, including women and children. Israel carried out strikes against Iran, targeting its nuclear and military sites after US President Donald Trump warned of a possible massive conflict in the region. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has said that Israel's operations struck at the heart of Iran's nuclear enrichment program, taking aim at the atomic facility in Natanz and nuclear scientists. He said that the operation against Iran will continue as many days as it takes.
Moments ago, Israel launched Operation Rising Lion, a targeted military operation to roll back the Iranian threat to Israel's very survival. This operation will continue for as many days as it takes to remove this threat. We struck at the heart of Iran's nuclear enrichment program. We struck at the heart of Iran's nuclear weaponization program. We targeted Iran's main enrichment facility in Natanz. We targeted Iran's leading nuclear scientists working on the Iranian bomb. We also struck at the heart of Iran's ballistic missile program.
Air traffic was halted at Tehran's main international airport, Imam Khomeini, while neighboring Iraq has also closed its airspace and suspended all flights at all airports. Israel declared a state of emergency, likewise closing its airspace, with Defense Minister Israel Katz saying retaliatory action from Tehran was possible following the operation. So this is what we do know so far. Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei in the latest has warned that Israel will suffer severe consequences. This after Israel launched deadly attacks on the Islamic Republic. Preemptive strikes against Iran here, as you can see the map on your screen right now as well. Uranium enrichment facility was struck in Natanz city. Iran Revolutionary Guards commander's site hit in Tehran as well. Now, the Supreme Leader has said that with this crime, the Zionist regime has set itself for a bitter and painful fate, and it will definitely receive it. This is fresh wave of explosions have been heard in Iran's capital. Iranian media has also confirmed that Iran's Revolutionary Guards leader, Hossein Salami, has been killed in the strikes. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.